Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy 2018. Today I did a smoky green eye on myself. It's really simple to achieve, so if you want to see the steps I used to get this smoky, sultry look, then please continue watching. I'll be using the Tarte Collector set for this. I love this palette. There's a nice range of shimmery and matte shades and they're really pigmented. I'll be starting off with priming my eyelids. I love this primer from NARS. It truly helps the eyeshadow stay put and stay vivid. As you may already be able to tell, I've already applied the base of my face and my eyebrows since I'll mainly be focusing on my eyes. The first shade I'll be using is in Culture. I'll be applying this on my entire eyelid. I have a little bit of hyperpigmentation, so this helps even it all out. The next shade in Cloud 9 will be applied with my tapered blending brush, and I'll be applying that around my crease to create a transition color for when I apply the green. Now I'll be creating a black base for the eyeshadow. I'm taking my kohl black eyeliner and just lining my upper lash line. This part isn't going to be neat because I'll be smudging that out later when I'm applying the eyeshadow over it. Now with my contour brush, I'm smoking out the eyeliner that I just drew on. Now that my black base is ready for the eyeshadow, I'm taking the green shade called Souvenir and patting that over the black eyeliner with my flat eyeshadow brush. I'm now taking my tapered blending brush and blending the green eyeshadow into the transition color. I'm adding a little bit more green eyeshadow at a time and blending upwards to create that smoky look. Just like with any smoky look, this part takes patience. Just keep blending, blending, blending. I just took a clean brush and taking more of the transition color to just touch up around the outer crease area just to add a little bit more warmth. With the Tarte Double Take eyeliner, this is the creamiest eyeliner that I've ever owned. The liquid liner on the other side is amazing as well. It's super black, but I won't be using that for my look today. I'm just lining my waterline and then smudging it out with my small smudge brush. Once that's smudged out, it's ready to lay down the green eyeshadow to tie the whole smoky eye look together. I'm again taking the transition shade with the contour brush this time and just adding some dimension underneath my eyes. I'm going to add some highlight with this Quest shade in the inner corners of my eyes to add some brightness and right below my eyebrow. And as usual, I'm going to highlight the prominent parts of my face with my HD Lift Concealer. I like to do this part closer to the end as opposed to doing it at the beginning. It may not be the correct way, but it does work for me. I feel that it makes my skin appear dewy and I really like the way it looks. I'm just going back in with the contour brush and just lightly smoking out the bottom of my eyes just in case I created a harsh line from the concealer. These goddess lashes from the Tarteist line have grown on me. I'll be using these with my favorite lash glue of all time. This is a new bronzer from Tarte that I purchased about a month ago. I absolutely love it. It smells like cocoa and it doesn't have an orangey tinge to it. I am adding dimension underneath my non-existent cheekbones and of course in my double chin area. I'm adding some highlighting fluid to the tip of my nose to finish off the highlighting. Now it's time to apply the lips. I decided on doing a nude lip for this look to make sure that my eyes really stood out. First, of course, make sure you line your lips with a lip liner, and then I'm using my Revlon nude lipstick in shade Soft Nude. It's super creamy and so pretty. Don't forget to set your entire face after all the hard work. You gotta make sure everything stays in place. This is the zoom in of the look. I hope you guys like the look, but ultimately enjoyed the video. I know it's been a while since I've made a video because, well, life was crazy, but I'm back and I can't wait to create more content. If you guys like this and would like to see more, make sure to give my video a thumbs up, that way I know, and to subscribe as well. Take care and see you next time.